What is a good anti-inflammatory drink? The best anti-inflammatory drink is bone broth made from pasture-raised meat, animals. Basically, you want the knuckle bones, you want the feet, and you want the head. All of these, we just cook them in the crock pot, and I have a video on that if you want to look at it. You basically put everything in the crock pot and you simmer all the bones in it, and you let it simmer in the crock pot in slow cooker for about 24 hours, and then just strain the liquid. You can use that bone over and over, at least for 3 times, but every time you have to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, because that's going to help all the minerals come out of your bones and get into the liquid that you have. I actually use this bone broth liquid in my my stew. I use that. I use it when I'm making the rice instead of water. I use that. So for every recipe that I need water, I use my bone broth. If you wanna be creative in this bone broth, you can actually add any type of vegetable you want. Parsley, herbs, any herbs, parsley, cilantro, but I would do it at the very last minute. I would do it for half an hour. If you wanna do vegetables, I would go for green vegetables. Carrot is actually a good one. Celery is a good one. Kale. But if you're doing green leafy vegetables, I would do it the last 30 minutes. You don't want to let them simmer for like 24 hours. This is a wonderful anti-inflammatory liquid that you can drink throughout the day, especially if you want to drink it before your meal. It actually helps digest your meal also.